Hi, I'm Giorgio Linguanti from That's Amore Cheese, and today Cheese Report talked about fresh ricotta. And talking about ricotta, what really is ricotta? Ricotta coming from the leftover of the cheese making, so from the cheese whey. What are we making here without using any preservative, and the best Italian style possible is a fresh ricotta made from whey. And practically is the whey protein, low-fat product, superfood, the best you can have for your diet. Coming every day, every morning fresh from our factory with no preservative, really Italian style, you can enjoy in few different dishes from antipasto to dessert. And let's see Dario what is he doing today for us with our fresh ricotta.
Yeah, that's Amore. We spoiled with the choice of our ricottas. We have some beautiful buffalo ricotta, ricotta delicata, nice and fluffy, and we have our traditional ricotta. The one that we'll be using today is the traditional one that we're gonna use for make one of our most famous recipe, the cannoli. So this is pretty much the base for every cannoli that we do, every flavor that we do. The cannoli, the ricotta is the king in this case. So I'm just gonna grab a kilo of ricotta, break it up a little bit so that make sure it's not too hard on the machine. And I'm gonna add some sugar and just a hint of cinnamon. And I'll let the machine do the magic. I put all the mix in my piping bag. I know it's not the traditional way, but I think it's the easiest, the quickest, the cleanest way to fill it up some cannoli. I just want to show you some little trick to make the most beautiful cannoli you can. The first thing I do, I put the tip just right in the cannolo, and then I just kind of move the tip just to give it a nice wavy shape. I'm just gonna put a beautiful cherry like traditional ones. And of course, plenty of icing sugar. Sometimes when I make cannoli, this can happen. I'm gonna show you a fun recipe to use the broken cannoli. If they're not broken, you break it yourself. My next dish is a deconstructed cannoli. Nothing upsets me more when I buy or I make some cannoli and they all break. Some they break, some I drop them. I just want to make sure that I don't waste any food. So I'm going to show you this simple recipe just to make a beautiful dessert out of it. Of course, we have our cannoli shell broken, of course, and some ricotta filling like the one I showed you before, just with a little bit of sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, some lemon peeling, and orange chutney. The chutney is just with just a little bit of sugar and the orange that we used for the peeling. The first thing to do, we just pretty much lay it up like a trifle. So I'm gonna put all my beautiful broken cannoli. I've got my ricotta in a piping bag for a better result. Okay, I'm gonna just spoonful a little bit of the chutney. So pretty much what we're trying to do is not to reinvent anything. We just follow the tradition. Orange, ricotta, cannoli, simple. And I'm just gonna do another layer. So just make sure you cover all bits and pieces. I'm just gonna finish it up here. Again, some of the chutney. Just we make, this is our bitter side of the dish, you know, even if we did it with a little bit of sugar. And of course, I'm just gonna finish it up with a beautiful mini cannoli. With our lemon peel. And this is my deconstructed cannoli. The best part about cooking, it's eating it. Back to you, Giorgio.
Thanks, Dario, for this fantastic recipe. And this is all from That's Amore Cheese Report. And come and buy our ricotta. Don't miss this time.